Welcome to this Manifold 3 tutorial. Watch how our AI coding assistant streamlines your workflow. Simply describe your needs in natural language, and the AI handles the rest, locating files, editing code, logging in, compiling and deploying flight control commands directly to the Manifold 3. Launch the AI coding assistant and open the psdk project directory. Taking the data subscription feature as an example, first let the AI study and analyze the sample code for the relevant feature, then state your specific requirements, and have the AI complete code generation, compilation, and execution. During its response, the AI will provide information such as the location of the entry function, the list of subscribed topics and their frequencies, and how the data is printed. After executing the commands, the AI provides a detailed summary of the subscribed topics, modified code, and live program output from the device, allowing you to easily verify the results. With data subscription running smoothly, we can now ask the AI to generate flight control code. In the simulator, the AI assistant will execute the flight control program. When writing prompts, we recommend the following key points. Thank you for watching.